is up, guys? It is Ninja Killer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get some pretty darn good shotgun kills. And, you know, I'm not the best at shotgun kills, not the best at anything, really. But sometimes, you have to get tips. You don't always need tips, but sometimes you do. Anyway, so we are going to be going to Tilted Towers, finding ourselves a sweet shotgun, and maybe getting the dub. Who knows? So, the first things first, we're going to start off picking up our first assault rifle. And maybe we'll find something, maybe we won't. Who knows? I don't know yet, really. So, just grab these dualies, and this man would be dead. So we're gonna drop down at that tilted, sweet tilted towers. And then, when we drop down at tilted, we're gonna be like, boom, shaka-laka, shaka-laka, shaka-boom, shaka boom, shaka-laka, Alright. So, really right now, you go to tilted, you're gonna drop out of populated place. You're probably gonna find your shotgun. You really want those shotguns. You always want those shotguns. Always want those shotguns. Anyway, land here. Now, let's spot down. We got our first assault. Oh, yeah, and we're dead already. No. I'm leaving before he does it. I'm leaving before he does what I know he's gonna do. I know what he's gonna do. I know. So, first, number one, it wasn't good. It just wasn't good. You know, I don't know. I just don't. This is what I get. That's what I get. I get that. I get take the L. Anyway, I'm gonna look up on my phone. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. Just look it up on Google how that is. Okay. Anyway. Okay, now we're in business. So, basically, with a shotgun, you wanna go like that. Hit those shots. So jump up and down. Yeah. So I'm gonna land tilted once more because you need those good tilted towers, and everybody. Tilted towers if they want to get high kill games. I'm not going for high kill games though. I'm just trying to get the Vic. Everybody wants to get the dub or Vic. I call it a Vic because, it starts with a V-I-C. I spell Vic. Hopefully nobody's going to clock, so I'm going to go there. Nobody goes to clock these days. Usually it's like the most popular thing on the everybody's avoiding Trump. What's the matter with Trump? What did Trump ever do to you? Okay. Somebody's gonna find me and kill me. That's the worst thing we want. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yes. Where's the people? Where's the people? Where's the people? Where's the people? I see the people. Where's the people? I see the people. I don't know where this is. I don't know. I legitimately. Okay. Oh, what? What? He came out of nowhere. He came out of nowhere. Where was he from? No. No, 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 no. Ah! 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 There's shotgun and everything. Ah! That's a good quest. Shotgun range. That's a good quest. That's the quest we need. And everybody, you like that? Pretty sweet. Pretty cool. Give me a hit. Dun, dun. Yeah, everybody loves that free flow. What? Wait, no. Ah, I called it the wrong thing. Okay, whatever. Who cares? Oh no, they're not gonna beat me with that shotgun. Don't worry, I still got attack, boys. Oh, come on, give me that pump. I'd be dead. Alright, we are landing with last match, and I don't want it to end up well. I mean, I don't want it to end up bad. So, maybe we'll get one shotgun. Who knows? Maybe not, maybe so. I don't know. Nobody's feeling me today. Nobody. Okay. Okay, since I'm jumping in, I'm gonna go over here. What? Okay, bye. Yeah, that was a very good video, and I'll see you.